Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about your ConvertKit account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you permanently close your ConvertKit account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too much to go over, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to permanently close your ConvertKit anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you need to switch over to different providers, and rather than just having your account linger, sometimes it's better to permanently close it. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here on the ConvertKit website. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. Now, before we go any further, I want to let you know the strange thing about ConvertKit. If you want to permanently close the account down, they don't have a button that you can choose inside of your account. Unfortunately, you have to message them. So how you do that is, first, here on the home screen, you want to go ahead and click on your username here on the top right. Once you click there, you're going to see this drop down menu, and you want to click on this button here called Help. Okay, so here is the chat feature for ConvertKit. Now, one thing I want to let you know, your search through the directions, they don't give any kind of information on how to cancel your account, at least not at the time of the recording. So what I'm going to recommend is you click right here on messages. Once you click on messages, you're going to see all of the support requests you had from ConvertKit, and you want to click on this here called Send Us a Message. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be chatting with the ConvertKit bot. So what I normally do is I'll click right here. I have a billing question. Okay, next what you want to do is go ahead and type in cancel account. Okay, so next you have two different options. Do you want to go ahead and cancel and deactivate, or do you want all of the data within your ConvertKit to be deleted? Now, if you're going to do this one, make sure that you download your email subscriber list before you delete your account. If you need help with that, go back and watch my other video that describes how to download and export your email list. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and click on this one, cancel, deactivate my account. Okay, next to give you more information. So as you can see, ConvertKit will hold on to your debt. So that way, if you do decide to come back, you can just reopen the account and start paying again. This is different than if you're going to permanently delete your account, because if you do that, then the data will not be able to be recovered. So in order to permanently close down your ConvertKit account, you'll need to type in your email address that's associated with the account you'd like to close down. I'm not going to do that because I actually still use this account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to permanently close down your ConvertKit account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. You do have to message through customer service, which is kind of annoying. But if you happen to know an easier way to permanently close down your ConvertKit, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.